everybody. Myself, J. Sara Rosli. I am studying 8th standard. Today, I talk about my Thirisulakkaliyamman Matriculation School. I tell about our school extracurricular activities by providing sports, yoga, Bharatam, karate, spoken English and Hindi, computer classes and library. Every students are given in that opportunity and platform to enrich and expertise themselves.
Myself, T. Tanuja. I am studying 8th standard. Our school conducts district level Oscar academic competition. 900 students participated. 460 winners out of our school. Students won 5 silver coins in the competition of handwriting, English and Tamil, composition, drawing and poetry.
Good evening to everybody. Together, we can, we will. Let us decide, conceive and create the new structure of the future which will embrace architecture and sculpture and painting in one unity and which will one day rise towards heaven from the hand of a million workers like the crystal symbol of a new faith.
On behalf of the management, I take immense pleasure to present the annual report of our school, Thirisulakkaliyamman Matriculation School, apprise you all how mission and philosophy of the school have materialized positively in the day-to-day excellence in education. We have made great efforts to transform ourselves completely into the updated scholastic format. We consider try to showcase to you all the achievements and progress of our school.
A heart filled with aspiration is all that we knew since we started 2004 with 32 students and 2 staff with motive and vision of giving good quality of education, very existence of the school, and that's what gave us the ambition of marching forward till excellence of achieving all our endeavors. But today we have reached to 695 plus students, 24 teachers, 5 extracurricular staff, 13 non-teaching staff with excellent infrastructure building, playground, smart classes, well-furnished classroom with CCTV camera, RO water, transport facilities.
We have expanded not only in Thiripulivanam, we have also reached a remote adjoining area of Uttremeru too. Nearly from 42 village students are studying here. We provide best education with transport facilities for their comfort. We express our thanks to parents and well-wishers for considering our school as the best place of adopt knowledge.
Kindergarten. The kids benefited high quality teaching, resources, tasks, events, kids' ability level in all parts with curriculum made feel good. We organize food fest, sports, color day, talent show, graduation day, fancy competition and skills for kids.
Events and celebration. Every day is a good day. There is something to learn, care and celebration. We gain knowledge, contest and events we conducted. Independence Day, Teachers Day, Pongal celebration, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Science Expo. Houses. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. The students of the school are divided into 4 different houses: sunflower, lotus, jasmine, rose. Students participated in inter-house activities. Overall winners was sunflower team.
இப்பள்ளியில் நடைபெற்ற ஆஸ்கர் விருதுகள் போட்டியில் பங்கேற்ற அனைத்து மாணவர்களும் வெற்றி பெற்றவர்களே. அதில் 460 மாணவ மாணவிகள் வெற்றி பெற்றுள்ளனர். தமிழ் மற்றும் ஆங்கில கையெழுத்து போட்டிகள், ஓவிய போட்டி, கவிதை, கட்டுரை என பல்வேறு போட்டிகள் நடைபெற்றது. அதிலும் தன் தனித்திறமையை காட்டி 5 மாணவ மாணவிகள் மாவட்ட அளவில் முதலிடம் பெற்றுள்ளனர் என்பதை மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். A. Bharati 8th standard, S. Arish 8th standard, G. Sagil 7th standard, R. Rakshana 2nd standard A section, S. M. Sanjanastri UKG A section. அந்த 5 மாணவ மாணவர்களுக்கும் வெள்ளி காசுகள் பரிசாக வழங்கப்பட்டது.
Extracurricular activities. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in all activities. It builds confidence, knowledge and become versatile in sports, yoga, Bharatam, karate, spoken English and Hindi, computer class, library and assembly. Every student is given the opportunity and platform to enrich and expertise themselves.
We organized field trip for students to explore and enjoy. We took students to amusement park and book fair. Parents-teacher meeting. We firmly believe that positive communication between parents and teachers goes a long way in improving the efficiency of education. It's a joint effort of mutual understanding and cooperation for proper nourishment and progress of students.
I would like to conclude by extending our sincere thanks to all the parents, students, and well-wishers who have lent a supportive hand down through the years in all our endeavors to produce a confident, educated, and capable batch of students each other. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Together, we can, we will.